Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI, SE95 PS. Now the Blue Beauty's looking great, and it has a top spec, including an automatic post-collision braking system, hill hold control, front and rear parking sensors, a driver alert system, a hydraulic brake assist, and these 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. The boot's a good size, and it even comes with a spare wheel. The interior has 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay, Volkswagen Connect, and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.